Welcome to an algebra tutorial video working our way through direct variation. In this particular video, we're going to learn how to take a table of values and find a direct variation equation just based off of what we're given in the table. Alright, so there's a couple of things here. I've got a nice table going on, some x values, and I want to see as x is affecting the y values, a relationship between each of these values here on the table. Does this show a direct variation equation? That's what I'm looking for. All right, so to be a table of values that fits a direct variation relationship, there's a couple things that has to happen. The first is, does it include the point? Does it include 0, 0? So if x is 0, is my y value 0? Is that point shown on my table here? Well, if I look at this, 0, 0, if x is 0 and y is 0, I have that point on here. So far, I'm feeling good about this table. It has that point, x is 0, y is 0. That has to happen to be a direct variation relationship. If it's not there, if x is 0 and y is something else, it could definitely be a relationship, but it is not direct variation. Okay, the other thing I need to check on to be a direct variation relationship is this pattern of adding the same thing. So from 0, 0, are we adding the same number over and over and over again? Now, it has to happen this way, so we have to look for, is x changing by 1 repeatedly? And in this case, it is. So as x changes by 1, am I seeing the same pattern of change happen in my y values? So let's see, from 12 to 8, I'm decreasing by 4. From 8 to 4, I'm decreasing by 4. From 4 to 0, let's subtract 4. From 0 to negative 4, let's subtract 4. And from negative 4 to negative 8, that's subtract 4. So it looks like I have a constant pattern of adding the same thing. In this case, I'm adding negative 4. So I've satisfied my two things here. I have a direct variation relationship. In particular, my y values are equal to negative 4 times the x value. And we can check this, right? I could put 2 in for x. 2 times negative 4 would give me negative 8 for y. And so it would actually work with all these. But there you go. There's an example of taking a table of values, looking to see, is it showing me a direct variation relationship? Does it include the point 0, 0? Does it have this constant pattern of adding the same thing? And if so, we have our direct variation. Whatever I'm adding in the pattern is going to be my constant of variation. All right, hopefully that was a helpful video for you guys as you're working your way through understanding direct variation.